the version of you that doesn't quit, that's the version of you that will make it. Think about learning to walk. Toddlers fall a million times, right? But if they had the same mindset that a lot of adults do, they would just sit there and say, well, I guess I'm just not gonna walk. All right, let's talk about something that almost made me quit before I even gave myself a real shot. Not seeing results fast enough and feeling like maybe I just wasn't meant for this. I get it. When you're pouring your heart into something, whether it's starting a business, growing on social media, getting in shape, just trying to create more freedom in your life, you want to see progress. And when you don't see it right away, it's frustrating. Especially when you're a busy mom like me, working full-time, traveling, and even trying to keep everything together. It's easy to start thinking, maybe this isn't for me. But here's the thing, anything worth having takes time. I've been there so many times. When I started my online business, I didn't have overnight success. I was squeezing in work during naps, filming content and YouTube videos late at night, and trying to figure it all out. And I had so many moments of doubt, thinking, why is it taking so long? And I understand that it's easy to have those feelings of doubt and wonder why things are taking so long if you're trying to achieve a goal. Especially if you have heard of other people doing it in a shorter amount of time, it's easy to play that comparison game. When I started traveling with my kids, I had this vision of magical family adventures, but the reality isn't always the case. Traveling with toddlers is not easy. There were meltdowns, airport chaos, and moments where I thought, why are we doing this? But then I remembered these moments of adventure and these experiences and the memories, and it made it 100% worth it. And really, that's the lesson. If I had given up when it had felt hard, I would have missed out on so much. So here's why you can't quit too soon. Success is not instant. The people you look up to, they didn't start as experts. They just didn't quit when things got hard. The first phase is always the hardest. Think about learning to walk. Toddlers fall a million times, right? But if they had the same mindset that a lot of adults do, they would just sit there and say, well, I guess I'm just not gonna walk. Your life is already busy. So why not spend your time building something amazing? If I can juggle being a mom of 3 kids, working full-time and traveling and still chase my dreams, you can too. It's not about having time, it's about making time for what matters, your priorities. I know it's hard when you don't see results right away, but instead of thinking, why isn't this happening for me yet? Ask yourself, what if I just hadn't given it enough time yet? You are made for more, but you have to give yourself a real shot at it. Keep going, because the version of you that doesn't quit, that's the version of you that will make it. Whether it's starting a business, becoming a full-time content creator, or traveling with your little ones, or even achieving your health and fitness goals, the reward is worth the effort, but you have to choose that for yourself and for your family and for your future. You have to make that choice. I feel like I've been getting really deep lately about finding more purpose in life, but honestly, it's because I feel like I know what it feels like to want more while also feeling completely overwhelmed with all the things that are on your plate. I know what it's like to have huge dreams, but also to have 3 little humans who need you 24/7 and that I want to take care of and be with and spend time with while they're growing, and still be the best parent that I can be and provide for my family while trying to pursue my passion. To work full time and build a business and travel with my kids, which is basically also a full contact sport, and still wonder, am I crazy for trying to do all this? Here's the truth. You're not crazy. You are capable. And the only difference between the people who build the life that they want and the people who don't is the ones who make it, they didn't quit when it got hard. You're not supposed to have it all figured out right away. You're not supposed to see overnight success. But if you keep going, if you give yourself time, you'll look back one day and realize that every hard moment, every late night grind, every toddler meltdown on an airplane, it was all leading you exactly to where you're meant to be. So this is your reminder. Don't stop just because it feels difficult. You are made for more. And I can't wait to see where you take this. I would love to hear what your goals are. Share in the comments what you're working on. Let me know what your big goals are and what you're working towards right now, and what you're pursuing in life, because truly, I believe that every single person was put on this earth for a reason. And I know personally, like, I feel like I've been given gifts and passions and things for a reason, and I'm not just supposed to ignore them, and neither are you. Like, if there's something that you feel called to do, then really think about what that could lead to and take the steps to pursue what your dream life looks like. It's not too late. There is nothing holding you back except for you actually choosing that you are made for more, because you have to actually choose to put your dreams into action before it can start taking flight. I feel like that sounds really cheesy, but that's I think the best way to say it. So again, I hope that you share in the comments what you're working towards, and I would love to cheer you on. And if you want to hear more inspiring content like this, then I encourage you to watch this video next. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. You got this.